Consumer arithmetic makes up a large component of the New South Wales mathematics syllabus. There are many technological tools available to assist students in developing skills with percents, decimals, and whole numbers for use with consumer arithmetic. Today I will examine a site called Math at the Mall and how it connects the learning of math to real-world applications. Each aspect of these artifacts permits students to apply mathematics knowledge to scenarios they might encounter in the real world. The person who plays the game first chooses a male or a female avatar, then enters the math mall and chooses a store. Once in a store, the player must demonstrate mathematical reasoning in order to choose which gym membership is the better deal. This requires knowledge of percents, decimals, and multiplication. Next, the player enters the cafe to practice the use of simple computations involving decimals. The player chooses menu items and computes the total cost of their food choice. Then, the player will be asked to compute what percent tip must be left. This type of quick, mental calculation can be useful for students to learn for use in the real world. Lastly, we shall go to the bank and see how to apply consumer arithmetic to a situation involving a bank deposit, which the player must correctly add up, and then correctly determine how much interest will accrue over a given period of time. Various combinations of money can be chosen to allow the player to practice this computation repeatedly. The New South Wales math curriculum requires knowledge of arithmetic, decimals, and percentages for consumer arithmetic. This is well demonstrated in the Math Mall. A second feature of the Math Mall is the ability of the player to get help solving these math problems if they have difficulty. Instructions can be selected providing detailed information on how to solve the specific problem. This allows for the student to enhance their learning in a very interactive way.